Today I decided to review the top 5 best espresso coffee machine, best espresso machine on Amazon in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I trying to list them based on that price, quality, durability and more. So let's get started with the video. At number 1. Cuisinart, 12-cup glass carafe with stainless steel handle. Brew strength control, select bold for stronger coffee flavor. BPA free. Gold tone coffee filter, lets only pure coffee flavor flow through. Single serve serving sizes, 6, 8, 10 ounces. Charcoal water filter. Includes Cuisinart's home barista reusable filter cup, which lets you use your own coffee. K-cup pod compatible as well. Number 2. Mr. Coffee. Semi-automatic 3-in-1 espresso maker, cappuccino and latte maker. 15 bars pump system brews rich-tasting espresso coffee. Trouble-free automatic milk frother removes the guesswork. One-touch control panel for drink selections. Easy fill, removable water and milk reservoirs. Number 3. DeLonghi. Pump-driven and 15 bars. Automatically self-primes, water level indicator. Input power 1100 watt. Use pods or ground coffee with the convenient patented filter holder. Craft cappuccinos or lattes with the patented easy-to-use frothier. 44-ounce and 1.3-liter removable water tank. Number 4. Mr. Coffee. 19-bar Italian pump delivers ideal pressure to extract robust coffee flavors. Easy one-button interface takes the guesswork out of controlling the espresso maker. Select single or double shots of espresso with a simple one-button press. Thermocouple heating system evenly heats the water for piping hot drinks. Automatic milk frother whips any milk into a light, creamy froth. Removable milk reservoir is easy to fill, clean and store leftover milk in the fridge. Cup tray adjusts to conveniently fit tall and short mugs. Number 5. Cook. Multi-functional, make drip coffee, espresso, cappuccino and latte with this espresso and coffee machine. Saves your counter space instead of having a separate drip coffee maker and espresso machine. Built-in steam wand, you can create a rich and creamy foam for lattes and cappuccinos with steam wand. Enjoy cappuccino, latte at home. Removable water tank, conveniently monitor water levels of front view transparent tank 1.2-liter capacity. Handle is included on tank for easy removal for cleaning and refilling. Self-priming system. Self-priming system means machine is always ready for use. 2 separate thermostats to control water and steam temperatures. 2-year warranty. The espresso machine is backed by 24-month warranty. So if you're looking for quality and price, then this would be the perfect option for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about these coffee machine, you can check out the links in the description and the comment section below, and if you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.